Let's talk about Dia.
Yeah. At first, I didn't want to download it. I'm bitter. I'm heartbroken. I love my Arc. I don't want to give up my Arc. And the performance is so bad. Like the performance, the battery life on my Mac has been suffering. But I love Arc with all its issues. Arc is the first browser from the browser company, and they discontinued it. They said they are going to support it, but now they are not going to support it in favor of their new baby called Dia. And I did download it. I went through. It was beautiful.
The introduction.
They have taste for it. It's so well done. And the design, it's so clean. I love the look.
No vertical tab bars though, still horizontal tab bars.
I was searching for it. I hope that they will introduce it. Do you know anything about that?
They'll probably get a lot of feedback on that. So
yeah, I want that.
The reason why this is on the show is that I struggle to see what an AI browser could do. Are we just ramming AI in all the things, which is surprise coming from my mouth, but like what could it possibly bring? And I'm seeing it.
So here you can chat with the AI and ask about specifically what did David say about killing Ark.
So yeah, I mean, you can chat with the video. I mean, the example I gave is I asked my own video if there's an advert in there, right? And presumably it can give you like timestamps and things like this. I think the real magic here is that you can cross-reference tabs, right? I was on my own YouTube video and I asked if I had time tomorrow to watch this video. So it looked at my calendar and said, you've got an available spot at 10:30 a.m. This will be the best time for you to watch it. And then I asked it to add it to my calendar. The tabs are mostly siloed. What they can do is silo. It's like an iPad. You're one task, you're one focus. Whereas if you start to think, well, I can work across tabs now. Could it be, okay, so I've just generated this bit of content or whatever in ChatGPT. Can you add this to my Twitter page? Can you also add it to my LinkedIn? And that would be probably auto agent because it needs to click buttons and stuff like that. But you can start to see how this ecosystem around multiple tabs can be very powerful and like from a productivity standpoint, super powerful, right?
It is very interesting. Yes. I'm exactly trying to do this to see like if it can actually do that now.
It can't do any of that, right? But it can write for you, so it can write an email. And what I did, I went onto ChatGPT and I said, based on everything you know about me, describe my writing style. And then I just pasted that into personalization. And then every time it writes, it will write in my style. Coding stuff in here as well, who inspires you and whatever. These are more about the responses. And then these are all about the writing. So these are writing skills. And then you can also create your own skills that write every time you put a prompt in. So I put let's code as an example. Then you can run a prompt that will do any number of things. And I can imagine as the browser gets more powerful, this prompt becomes more useful because I put like open Tailwind documentation. Because maybe I always use Tailwind and Next.js. There we go, add custom skill. So there we go. And now every time I go here, I can go, let's code. But it runs the prompt and it doesn't do anything. I can imagine a world where it actually actions this sort of stuff. It could be any number of things. Maybe it's something you're learning, but it's a very interesting way to browse the internet.
This is a very interesting direction, and I can't see myself actually use this because I just tried it on my screen. I have a meeting tonight. I just opened my emails, and from that chat window, I said, what is my plan for tonight? And it told me, well, you have I have a meeting with someone at Webflow, and then it told me, it gave me a bunch of information about that meeting. And what is interesting, I don't have to like copy context from a window to another. I can chat in the same place. I'm doing this for the first time and I'm actually like in love with it.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.